Today I want to show you the clean cycle on an Aurelia Wave V model. It is a little bit different than the Aurelia Wave Digit or T3. You get into the menu the same. To get into your cleaning, you just press and hold your clean button. And now you're at group selection. So the first thing you want to do is grab your blind filter that came with the machine. It will come with a blind filter per group. So if you have a 3 group, you'll have 3 blind filters. The other thing I recommend you always do is whenever you're doing a cleaning, that you're cleaning all your groups at the same time. You're not cleaning one group and utilizing the other group to brew. Never fails. All of a sudden you need to use 2 groups, and then you might make the mistake of forgetting to rinse out and go and start cleaning or start brewing, and you have cleaner in your brew. So we want to add our cleaner, and we're just adding about a dime-sized amount. It's about 1 gram to 2 grams of cleaner that you're going to use. You can also use a tablet or a liquid. Usually I recommend the powder unless you want to really control the dose, and then you can, if you wait too long, it will exit out of the clean cycle like it just did. So we're going to go back in and select the group we want to clean. So it's going to be that one. And we'll go ahead and start prepping our other one here. So if you just use your basket here to get underneath the lip and pry it up, it'll make it really easy to pull out and put your basket in place. Waited too long again. Now you can go ahead and do that.
Gotcha.
So if you guys have any questions regarding the differences between the Aurelia Wave V and the Digit, which we have over here, one of the nice features of the Digit, it actually has a touch display on it to get into a screen, and of course this one we've actually password protected. And we're doing some modifications on this machine, which is another thing you can ask us about whenever if you want to purchase equipment from us, is we do modifications and customization of equipment. So keep in mind when you're doing the clean cycle that you're going to do this when you're already shut down and you're not using the machine anymore. Once you enter into the clean, you cannot exit out. So now our first group here is ready for us. So we need to get back into the clean cycle here. Go ahead and remove our portafilter and activate it. And now it will do a rinsing. Of course, you can rinse out your basket here. And go ahead and do the same thing for removing that basket.
So it's rinsing the cleaner out right now, right?
Right now we're
Gotcha.
rinsing all the cleaner out, and once it's all done with doing its rinse cycle, it just goes back to normal.
Okay. When you do the rinse, you had to go back into the clean cycle?
Yes.
Oh, it doesn't.
You'll see that in the screen. The screen is going back to a normal. This is the normal screen.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
So to get back into that mode to activate the groups, here you are at your group cleaning, group selection, and then you're going to select which group you're doing.
I gotcha. How long is that? Like a 3-second hold on the to activate it?
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. Perfect.
You're just pressing and holding till it goes into the other screen.
Okay. Now, does this have the auto rinse feature on it? The Aurelia Wave?
It does not. Only the Digit and the T3 models have that.
Awesome. Okay, thank you.